Morning. So it's just gone 5 in the morning. It's 5:10 in the morning. And we are off yet again for breakfast 1 of 2 for the day because we're off to do the half marathon for some unknown reason. So we're going to go eat the first breakfast and then we're going to go to our corral because that shuts at 5 to 7. The race starts at 7. And then we've got a very long 21 kilometres to run. That was very funny when it was. How you feeling?
Knackered and I need a wee.
I think that sums everyone really.
That is my only issue. I am not hungry or anything because I have eaten my breakfast worth of food on the way round.
Yeah, that's true.
If you can dream it, you can do it.
Yeah, and don't make any excuses. So we're now heading back to the hotel. Well, no, we're not.
No.
We're going to the expo and we're going to go get our medals, our new ones. So,
Oh, extras.
yeah, because we've got our 2 challenge ones to pick up. So we'll probably
I'm going for a wee before we even get in the queue. I will not.
We'll probably see you there. Thank you. Thank you.
Does my face tell you how I'm feeling?
You ready for breakfast? Do you need food? Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't get any butter.
Oh, I did.
Oh yeah, you did.
Ready.
Steady, go.
It's not race. Oh, it's raining.
Is it?
Yeah, it's actually raining already. Umbrella, please. Right, I will go see through. Oh, hell. Proper raining. Hopefully we get quiet. I'm getting wet. Hopefully it means you get quiet parks. That hurt. Don't we look cute?
Sharing umbrellas.
So we're now off to Disneyland Park.
In the rain.
In the rain.
Oh, it's blowing.
Oh. Never sound us again all our lives. Oh, oh, it's raining. Oh. We're going to take pictures of our medals with the castle. We're hopefully going to meet Mickey as well, which would be cool. And I haven't really got much else planned for today. We're going to see what happens.
Yeah. Buy ponchos.
Let's buy a poncho. We'll look sexy together. It's fairly quiet though.
Yeah, you can see the ground, so...
So yeah, I can't see the ground today, which is quite nice.
That just blew right down my ear.
it rain.
It's not going to be anything else, is it?
It is lashing it down out there. Gav, I'm not very impressed with the rain. Oh,
Sorry.
flick water at me. So we've come to meet Mickey. We'll show him our medals, see what he thinks. It's a bit of a different day today, isn't it? We're not really sure what to do, so we've just met Mickey. We were going to video it, but everything kind of happened so quickly, we hadn't even got the medals on.
We walked in the door and then it was like, go see Mickey.
Yeah, we hadn't even got the autograph book ready properly, we hadn't got the medals on. We just kind of got thrown in the deep end. So we've got some interesting pictures, we might bring them back, the medals back at some point, or a medal at least. And get some more pictures with him. But yeah, everything's a bit glum today.
Stop me being cold today.
Finally! Doesn't he look beautiful?
No.
This could be interesting.
Well, because it just says seasonal soup, there's no... In here you can only have these set menus. So you either have a starter and main course, or a starter, main course and dessert.
We have been back to the hotel. I put more sensible clothes on. We then, it was still raining when we came out, so we went for food, and we were gonna vlog it, but we ended up spending the whole time moaning because we ate. It's cold.
Sorry.
It's wet. And
I've got wet feet.
Gav's got wet feet.
And wet hoodie.
And we ended up in there for 2 hours because
That's why I'm only in a t-shirt.
we didn't get seated till 20 minutes after our reservation time, and then it took the first hour for them to even get the starters out to us. So we decided that we weren't going to vlog it because actually it wouldn't have been a very positive thing. But however, if you do like being engrossed in like theming in restaurants, definitely go to Bistro Cherami. It is normally really good.
Yeah.
It's just a bit of an off experience this one time. So we're now going to Disneyland Park. We are not watching Illuminations tonight because it's so cold and we are both very wet and tired. So we are going to try and find a hoodie for Gav to wear so that he can actually stay warm. And then we are going to go on some rides, see what's got the shortest queue, because we've only done one attraction today, which is Meet Mickey. So that's fun.
But beauty once lived in this house. Fantôme malheur a connu des jours heureux, et les temps ont changé. And now, curious souls, come, I have more to show you. Entrez, braves mortels, et visitons ensemble.
So we've done quite a bit actually, haven't we? Because we were coming into the park last time we said anything.
We've done Phantom Manor.
The Phantom Manor, still love it.
Wandered.
We have. We've been on a nice wander through, haven't we?
Yeah, looking for my jacket, which is nowhere to
Still not found the varsity jacket. We had some screamers, didn't we? On Phantom Manor.
Oh, I did my head in. And
They screamed at everything. But it wasn't even like...
Screamed at the Doom Buggy turning, screamed at the dark, screamed at the ghosts in the banquet hall.
But not like the skeletons or the scary dog.
They screamed at the skeletons, they didn't scream at the scary dog.
Just don't get it. Don't scream. It provided us entertainment. Then we went on that and we screamed.
Yeah.
So we got put straight on at the back.
I needed a roller coaster to prepare myself, but I didn't get it. It was like...
No, it was
12 straight on.
Straight on and job done. So it's nice because the park's quieting down a bit now.
The park is very quiet.
So we only queued
It's
15 minutes for that.
It's like usual now.
Yeah, it's back to normal. We queued 15 minutes for Hyperspace Mountain, so that's not too bad.
No.
We'll go take you around the Disneyland Hotel.
But I'm going up the stairs, down the lift.
Yeah.
Because I can't do 2 flights of stairs down. Space Mountain was bad enough.
quest for the jacket continues.